Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. Today we'll explore Scrapoxy, a tool designed for efficient proxy server management and optimization of web scraping processes. Scrapoxy is a free open-source tool that serves as a proxy manager, facilitating the distribution of requests across various proxies. It operates in conjunction with scrapers that directly gather information from websites. Importantly, Scrapoxy does not collect data independently, nor does it supply its own proxies. Its primary function is to manage the flow of requests through different proxies, thereby minimizing the risk of blocks and enhancing the efficiency of data collection. Let's explore the features of Scrapoxy. Scrapoxy is compatible with both dynamic and static IP addresses. It supports a variety of proxy types, including IPv4 and IPv6 data center proxies, ISP proxies, residential proxies, and mobile proxies. One of the key advantages of Scrapoxy is its automatic proxy rotation, which regularly changes IP addresses to distribute requests evenly. This helps avoid detection and circumvent website restrictions. Scrapoxy integrates smoothly with major cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and GCP, automatically creating proxy servers in selected data centers. This use of varied IP addresses increases anonymity. The tool maintains the same IP address throughout a session, adding stability. It can intercept HTTP requests, insert session cookies, and configure custom headers to ensure consistent request patterns. Scrapoxy also excels in managing proxy reliability. It tests the availability of free proxies and their connections through HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS protocols. Verified proxies are pooled together, allowing Scrapoxy to automatically switch to any available server in case of proxy failure or blocking, thus ensuring continuous operation and stable connections. Let's move on to the interface of Scrapoxy. Scrapoxy features a user-friendly web interface that includes several components to enhance usability. A navigation menu on the left side allows for easy transition between different sections of the project. The header at the top shows the name of the connected user and includes a menu for accessing user settings and logging out. A central area displays the content of the respective pages, making it straightforward to interact and manage settings. Project section. This section displays all created projects and allows for easy switching between them for effective management. Projects can exhibit several statuses, each represented in this tab. Off, the project is stopped, and the proxies used are deleted. Calm, the project is in a sleep state, meaning only the minimum number of proxies specified in the settings. And hot, the project is active, with proxies currently running. Marketplace, this feature enables you to select a proxy provider and configure connections through a specific connector. Credentials. This area is designed for the creation and management of credentials for vendors. It also includes tools to validate data after it has been saved. In the Connectors tab of Scrapoxy, you have the capability to link different proxy providers to your project. Here's what you need to do when setting up a connector. Utilize the credentials set up in the previous section. Assign a unique name to the connector for easy identification. Specify the number of proxies you want the connector to manage. Define the duration in seconds after which an inactive proxy is considered disconnected. Connector statuses can be on, the connector is active and running, off, the connector is deactivated, or error, there is an issue with the connector that needs attention. You can modify a connector at any time by updating its data and revalidating it to ensure smooth operation. In the Proxy section of Scrapoxy, you can view a comprehensive list that includes all available proxies, along with detailed statuses and statistics, such as IP address, uptime, and number of requests. Proxy statuses are categorized into two types. Instance status reflects the general operation condition of the proxy server. Connection status shows the connectivity status of the proxy. Instance status. Starting. The proxy is either initiating or already running. Stopping. The proxy is in the process of stopping. Stopped. The proxy has been stopped. Or error. indicates a problem with the proxy server. Connection status, online, the connection is active and operational. Offline, the connection is currently unavailable. Or error, there is a connection problem that needs addressing. The coverage section includes visual proxy coverage map, statistical summary, which includes city names and number of proxies in each country, and names of the networks. In the Metrics tab of Scrapoxy, you will find all the crucial indicators needed for comprehensive project monitoring. The central panel of this tab displays statistics related to tasks and proxies, and allows you to select specific time intervals for detailed analytics. Here's the data you can access in this tab: amount of received and sent bytes, number of sent requests, number of deleted applications, speed of receiving and sending data, number of valid and invalid requests, and number of created and deleted proxies. The Tasks tab provides a comprehensive list of all active and completed tasks within Scrapoxy. For each task, the following details are displayed: name of the task, start and end date and time, implementation progress, and a button for a detailed view. In the Users tab, you have the ability to manage access for all users associated with projects. This tab displays each user's name and email, allowing you to oversee who has access. You can also add new users to projects, provided they have previously logged into Scrapoxy, ensuring secure access. Access during the initial configuration of a project in Scrapoxy, Settings tab allows you to set key project parameters: name of the project, proxy authentication data, proxy rotation, and minimum number of proxies. Additional features like changing the user agent and toggling the project's status to adapt to specific needs and enhance functionality. To configure a proxy server in Scrapoxy, first ensure you have already acquired proxies or purchased them ahead of time. Then follow these steps to integrate proxies from Proxy-Seller. Begin by logging into your account on the Proxy-Seller website and navigating to the API section within your personal account. Copy the API token, which you will need for integration. Next, switch to the Scrapoxy web interface. Proceed to the marketplace and use the manual search to locate Proxy-Seller. Choose the type of proxy you need, either static or dynamic, and then click Create to set up a new account. You will need to enter a name for this setup and the previously copied API token before clicking Create again. Once the account is created, establish a new connector and select Proxy-Seller as the provider. This connector will then appear in your list, and you can activate it from there. With these steps completed, your setup in Scrapoxy is ready. You can now start using the connected proxies for your data parsing tasks, efficiently rotating them through the Scrapoxy Proxy Rotator. Scrapoxy is an excellent option for teams and developers looking to oversee their data collection processes autonomously, without dependence on external services. Its flexible configuration and compatibility with a broad range of providers render it suitable for both small and medium-sized businesses, as well as technical professionals. The tool streamlines the management and scaling of proxies and offers automatic rotation features that help maintain anonymity and prevent blocks during web scraping activities. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.